Howdy, Skipper.
Hey! Are you recording my voice too?
You betcha.
Oh, okay. Today is the first night of fireworks, and we'll be going out with the Highlander.
The Highlander, yeah.
And the crew to see the fireworks.
Excellent.
Oh, Alex, I forgot to tell you. You have to take off your shoes when you get on the boat.
I'm Alex. I'm on a boat.
We don't use a boat, then you just close it so you can walk around without any problems.
Nice.
I want to
Can we
be
put the lines in
like
there?
you.
Dudes, that's fuck.
Now we're finally anchored in the Burrard Inlet, getting ready to watch the fireworks.